It's me, JSHDIY. I'm going to be showing you guys some never seen before toothpaste slime recipes to make slime out of toothpaste and other ingredients that you have at your house without any glue or borax. This video till the end to find out how to make perfect slimes without any glue. These notification squad shouts go to Panabi Apple, Xnay Plays Games X, Coralina, Nala Slime, and Naomi Sanchez. So if you would like to get a notification squad shout out and get to be in my next video, all you have to do is be subscribed and have that notification bell clicked and comment down below notification squad. Let me know if you guys want to see a vidcon vlog. You can vote in the right hand corner because I met so many of your favorite YouTubers and got to hang out with them, and I did vlog. So if you guys want to see that video, I will post it for you guys. I really want to start making some non-slime videos because I know you guys will enjoy them when I post them, but let me know if that's okay with you guys. The first recipe I'm going to be trying out today is paint toothpaste slime. Recipe, you're going to only need two things, and those things are acrylic paint and also a toothpaste containing baking soda. To making this slime is just putting some paint in a container and then adding some of your toothpaste in it. Little tip, if you don't have a toothpaste that has baking soda in it, you can try adding a sprinkle of baking soda also just into the mixture to try to make it work. So right away when you mix the toothpaste into the acrylic paint, it will start thickening up a bit, but then what you're going to need to do is grab a hairdryer and put it on a high mode and just let the acrylic paint dry out with the toothpaste, if that makes sense. Just that the paint is starting to dry, just mix it all up and then keep continuing to use the hairdryer until you feel the slime pulling away from the container when you mix it. And that you don't want the paint to dry out fully, so just keep checking in on the paint to make sure that it is not too dry. Once you have done this process, you should end up with a sticky sort of slime texture. It turned out very holdable, and if you guys want to see me do any more of the hairdryer slimes, definitely make sure to let me know by commenting hairdryer slime. I'm going to be storing this in an airtight container. If you guys want to see what it looks like in a week or so, I will post on my Instagram story a little update about how the texture is a week later. The next recipe I'm going to be testing out is one ingredient clear toothpaste slime. I went to Target on a little adventure to find a clear toothpaste, and I think this is the one. It is the Watermelon Colgate. It is super runny. Like, I was so surprised. The consistency is like very, very thin. I'm going to be leaving this in the refrigerator for a week while I'm gone for a 4th of July vacation with my family. 1 week since I put this in the fridge, and I'm so excited to finally see how these slime turned out. It was super runny when I first put it in there because the toothpaste was just not thick, but you guys can see it is pretty thick now, so hopefully we ended up with a slime.
What the slime looks like.
It does definitely stick to my finger, but it is kind of thick, so I'm going to just take the whole slime out, and we will see how the slime is.
Ready for the final reveal? Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? It's actually not sticking to my fingers.
It's cold from being in the refrigerator. My fingers are kind of feeling like they're freezing off, but you guys can see it is pretty much a thick slime. Honest, I probably wouldn't say this is the best recipe because it already is kind of starting to melt, but if you guys have this toothpaste at home already and you want to test it out, I would definitely recommend you trying it.
So this recipe I would definitely give a 9 out of 10. 10 was because of the residue, but I love this slime and I think it's a super great slime if you have some time on your hands and want to make slime out of toothpaste.
The next recipe is my new favorite way to make clear slime without any glue, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys right now. This recipe will 100% work for you, and you definitely have all the ingredients at home already to make this, but please watch the whole recipe I have for it. It's only 3 minutes of your time, and you'll be left with an amazing, clear, thick slime once you do this. Just don't skip any of it because there's lots of tips and tricks that you have to follow in order to make it work. First, just take 1.5 cups of clear body wash and put it into your container. I just used this 2-in-1 clear body wash that is from Dial. I personally think that it makes the thickest clear slime, and it also is peach scented, which is definitely a plus. Then just add in 1/8 a cup of Listerine or some sort of mouthwash, which is also 2 tablespoons of mouthwash. I don't know why I said it as 1/8 a cup, but just put that into your mixture. Everything a nice stir and make sure everything is well combined. You're going to get a lot of air bubbles because it is soap and you're mixing a liquid into it, so it is going to get very foamy, but just mix everything up. Feel like it is all super well mixed up together, you can start adding your activator, which is just going to be some regular salt. Just add in a couple pinches at a time until you feel like it is starting to come away from the bowl and starting to clump up. Kind of take a lot of salt to do this, but just add in a little bit at a time because you don't want it to melt, because if you add too much salt, it will just start melting. You guys can see it really does activate right in front of your eyes, and the salt really just makes it turn into slime. It's starting to pull away from the bowl, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more salt, and then we will try poking it to see how the texture is. Oh, as you guys can see, it's a bit sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more, and then I think we'll be done. You guys can see when I mix it, it is starting to pull away from the container, which is the sign that it is ready to dry. So I'm just going to give everything a thorough mix, and then we'll let it sit for a couple days until it is all dried out and super clear. What it looked like after 4 days of sitting out, you guys can see it turned out so cool looking, and I will let you guys listen to all the poking ASMR because it turned out very thick. Okay guys, it's been 4 days since I made the slime. You guys can see it is super clear, and there's only like a couple air bubbles on the top, but if I would have left this for another day, it would be completely crystal clear. Left the fork in there, so I'm just gonna pull it out. It'll actually be a little test to see how thick it is. Oh my gosh, you guys see this? The slime is so thick, you guys. I was actually not really expecting it to be this thick, but you guys can see it is super thick. It is not at all sticking to my fingers, which is so great. Now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna poke it, and you guys can hear all the ASMR. Oh my gosh, it is such an amazing slime. By far my very favorite recipe I probably have done all week. I love this one so much. You guys can see it is so clear and it is so thick, and it's not even sticking to my fingers. Whoa, okay, I'm just obsessed with this. I saw in the comment section that a lot of you guys were wanting me to test out this toothpaste deactivating hack to deactivate slime, so I'm going to be testing it out. I'm just going to be deactivating this normal glue slime. The thing about this hack is that once you add the toothpaste into the slime, it turns it back into glue, and then you can use a strong activator to reactivate it, and you can add anything else to transform the slime and make a new one. Use any toothpaste for this, and you guys can see on camera that it basically just makes the slime instantly melt into glue, and then off camera I tried reactivating this with a strong borax activator, and it totally turned back into a slime, which is so cool. That you guys loved when I tested out the Trim slime recipe in my last no glue slime video, so I'm going to be testing out another Trim recipe. This one is basically where you take some toothpaste and spray hairspray on it, and it turns into slime. To Target, picked up these ingredients, and we are going to put it to the ultimate test right now. Thought it would be super satisfying if we cut the end of it open and just squeezed all the toothpaste out, because I have seen videos of people doing that before, and it was so satisfying. I tell you guys, although it was not as satisfying looking as it looks in the videos, it was so much fun to do. They just spread out all the toothpaste on a plate and then sprayed the hairspray on so that it was like super even and it looked perfect. So that is exactly what I did. Took some hairspray and just sprayed all over the toothpaste. I let it sit for 10 minutes, and I was so excited to see how it turned out. So here it is. We're gonna test it out, see how the slime is. Okay, well, I will let you guys decide what you think of this recipe. It might be the weirdest recipe I've ever done on my channel, but I'm going to be trying to make slime out of toilet paper. This recipe will be kind of amazing if it works, because I know that we all have toilet paper in our house, so if this works, we can all make it and have slime made out of toilet paper. We're testing 2 different recipes. For this first one, you're just supposed to like rip up a bunch of toilet paper and then put some Listerine on top of it and then let it soak, mix it up again. So I've done this process a couple of times, so I think it's time to finally take it out of the bowl and see if it turned into slime. Okay, I've taken it out, and as you guys can see, it is definitely not slime, so this first method is a fail. Now I'm going to be testing the second recipe, which is actually kind of just me improving and making up a recipe on the spot. We'll see how it turns out, but what I've done is just shredded up a little bit of toilet paper. I did a lot less this time, and then I put some water instead of mouthwash on top of it. I'm just going to be using that body wash I used earlier and putting it into our mixture. And now I'm just going to activate this with some salt, because I know this will activate with salt because I've activated the body wash before with salt. As you guys can see, I guessed it correctly. The body wash and the salt are starting to activate each other, and it is kind of turning into a little slime. So I'm just going to pull this out, and we will see how it is. Whoa, okay, it's very soapy, but you guys can see it turned into a slime, which I'm very happy about because I successfully made slime out of toilet paper, and I can brag about that. You know, that is probably not something I should brag about using my free time to do, but you know what, we made slime out of toilet paper and it worked, so here are the clips of me playing with the slime. So much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you made it to the very end of it. And if you do enjoy my channel, you should definitely subscribe if you aren't already. And you can follow me on Instagram at JSHDIY if you'd like to learn a little bit more about me. I just need you guys to click on one of the videos up on the screen so I can hang out with you guys over there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on one of those videos. Bye, guys.